Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi Q7 S line 45 TDI quattro. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Orca Black shorter turn heads when on the road. At the time of this recording, the car's done 7,455 miles, rolling on 20-inch alloy wheels with a 5-spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area. As you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs, as well as those larger items such as pushchairs and suitcases, with an extra handy 2 seats making this a 7-seater. To the rear, you have the leather upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is enough head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic S embossed logo, with electric seating adjustments and a 4-way lumbar for added support and comfort. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a 3D satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide selection of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to sing along to. Safety is a must with the rear view reversing camera to help you manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay by connection of the car's USB port. In the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. Driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio, a wide selection of your favourite DAB radio stations to sing along to. And the navigation map in 3D to help you find your desired destination. Below, you have the 2-zone automatic climate control, so both driver and passenger can set their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings, with a hidden compartment with 2 handy cup holders and a 12-volt charging point to stay powered up on the go. Finished off with the all-important automatic gearbox with electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile. If this is the car for you, call today on 01782 488 205.